again we are still at the Sooq and we are going to the pets market today, and it's been a long time after I've been there. So let's see what our new birds are there. Whoa, this cat. But I don't want it.
ما حط عليك ميلا شوفي
So cute. لا حرام تمسكوا منهم.
شي لا
So cute. It even has a dress on. So cute.
ما يعوض
Falcon or like a lovebird. I don't know its name. I forgot. Can you bite this? Don't bite it. Watermelon pot. So, okay, I'm a bit scared.
Pet her.
No, I'm scared.
No, she don't do anything.
I'm scared.
Nishu, cocktail is there.
These are so cute. Yeah, I think it might be. Not biting, not biting. Oh, I think so. Hula hoops. I don't know. I don't know if it is hula hoops for the birds. These two are so cute. Okay, so guys, that's it. So we'll end up showing this Macau, and there's actually a lot more to explore here, but we can't do it today because it's getting very late and it's night, so we have to stop this video. So next time when we come, we'll explore